Hi everyone, this is Bravia Joe with Sony, and today I'm going to walk you through some of the new product that we've just launched here in 2026. Right behind me really shows a lot of the transition story that we have from the L series to the P. Here on the left is a BZ35L, and right next to it is a BZ35P. We have a lot of changes that took place, some very noticeable, some a little bit behind the scenes. And what you can see here that's very noticeable is the difference in depth between the two displays. 43 through 65 inch moved from backlight technology down to edgelit, which allows us to move the depth from 2.8 inches to 1.8 inches. Restrictions and ADA compliance is now considerably easier on the BZP series. I'll walk you over to the other side that actually walks us through the difference in some of these models. So while we are able to show the depth, we are also now able to show the bezels. Here you can see that all four sides are uniform. We've removed the 3mm bump out that's on the bottom, and we've actually placed it inside the bezel. We've taken the center, the VESA, and we've centered it. So it is now, instead of being low, it's right in the middle. And while we weren't able to move the 75 and 85 inch models to edge light technology because it's just too much real estate, we did add some in-chassis handles on both sides that allow the integrator to handle and deploy the displays much easier. Beyond that, what we've done is we've taken the new P-Series models. We've enhanced the processor from the X1 4K HDR processor, and we've increased it up to the XR, which is the most robust processor that we have. This is going to allow us to have better picture quality beyond what we're already known for. And then what we've done is we've paired that with a deep black non-glare solution. So here you can see it's against the EZ20, which does not have a deep black non-glare solution. The 30 and the 35P at the top, those have deep black non-glare standard, which is a 25% anti-glare treatment. And then on the bottom is the BZ40P, which has the deep black non-glare premium, which is a 47%. And we have super bright lights that are showing just how well the deep black non-glare is able to handle the environment. The last element of the P-Series that's really important to me that I'd like to share is the overall sustainability that comes with the new P-Series. Here's a 40L next to a 40P, and you can see it's the same brightness, 700 nits, same color, contrast, saturation, same beautiful display. However, the wattage meter shows up to 30% energy consumption savings from the L to the P generation. This is in line with Sony's overall Road to Zero initiative, where we expect to be net carbon neutral by 2050. And so this was Bravia Joe walking you through the P-Series here at InfoComm 2026. Thanks.